Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Shib Kai. How much will 20 million Shiba Inu coins be worth in 2025? After a long wait, Shiba is now in the last stages of growth based on the most recent news. The team of Shiba Inu changed this layer to blockchain. Answer testnet has been set up and people in the crypto community are excited about it. Straight after the Shiba testnet, prices were made public before going live. Shib began rising to meet the growing demand. Having this coin is one reason why. It's done well because more people have bought it. Buy shibainu before the expected. A blast after the launch of. This product has been made by Shiba and built to deal with the big issue. For shibainu to depend on Ethereum. Blockchain. The blockchain answer will to keep the Shino environment going and let companies to build on top of it, so is a very important tool that still spread the word about the Shiba Inu coin. We'll talk about how in this movie. How much is 20 million Shibu coins worth? By 2025 Shib News, don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our newest videos on price forecasts for Shiba Inu and expert. Without further ado, let's start the video. How much a Shiba Inu costs on 17th of January went up to 15.2% over 31.2% in the last 24 hours, and for the past week, each CoinGecko Shib is right now ranked as the 13th largest digital asset based on market value. But the price of one of the best days of the year is 0.12. The top 100 tokens of value. The meme coin also posts an almost 200% rise in 24-hour volume of trades on Binance and Coinbase, taking care of most of these deals as has. This has often been the case in the past market cycles. Altcoins are going through a lot of that rise after market ones. Top coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. It could be because traders are reinvesting, making money from big cap investments into small ones that show how many ship pieces you have. Getting moved to exchanges saw a huge jump on January 10th when over 14 trillion tokens were put into crypto exchanges based on info from. The rise in prices today would show that holdings can be used to start trades in derivatives instead of selling them in the spot market. But if the current changes in ship prices are based on the, it could have a futures market. Higher fluctuation if you are long. Start to sell off earlier this week. The people behind shibainu said that it is setting up its layer 2 networks Shiba for the team to run atop Ethereum. It said this in its blog post, telling people about the idea that some see Shiba as a way to drive up prices, but that is not and has never been the project's main goal. Rather, the team says that it's new. The L2 network will cut prices and make transactions go faster for the tokens and the environment. The Shino price has saw an amazing rally throughout January. Still, care should be taken as bigger frames of time don't show the ideal. Shiba Inu prices have shown signs of going up. Buyers focusing on as the flow of changes in price throughout the month have created a number of profitable chances for day traders as a short break takes place. The technicals of the market North Point. However, you give reasons to doubt long-term trends of going up. Possible Shiba Inu are currently trading at 0.0000001. 0.37 the RSI, Relative Strength Index, and an indicator used to judge the possibilities for a trend by drawing similarities and differences between. The center points show a strange situation. On the daily time frame, the signs are definitely positive breaking through, but too much above the 70 level. During the latest rally, unfortunately, the weekly RSI wasn't really affected by surge. The spike stays in the middle zone and reveals a hidden bearish splitting up. There may be a hint here that market bulls who bought early are paddling toward a waterfall while there is a going out of business in the next few weeks. If this Is it true that the most recent starting point was 0.0000000? 800 might give in to a challenge, which means a 25% drop from the present ship price, as well as the amount of liquidity is above the hidden bearish. Trends may be where the smart money is. Qualifies the ship's future rise. Possible a breach at a value of 0.151 could disprove the bearish thesis and set up a push for the August high at. This is a 75% rise from 0.1793. How much a Shiba Inu is worth on the 15th of January 2023 in the review thread, many people replied kindly. Praise for Shiba when Inu sometimes prefers it to Dogecoin, the first meme symbol. Started out as a joke on Bitcoin in the 2013 Shib is still going well, going up with no signs of turning around taking place on the market yet. The main reason for this kind of a sudden rise is most likely to happen, linked to a set of reports about Sharoman ads on a lot of big Shiba Inu has a number of coin exchanges, has also been showing signs of a breakout since it has been settling at the 200-day moving average for more than 4 days, which could have been in a time of accumulation before the breakout that we see today. But David Jin only has Doge and Shiba Inu. Based on his past tweets, if the current price momentum is strong on the market, we're likely to see that the amount of the fire kept going up. Early in December, support for the second biggest joke coin by market value. The added value of funding came from the altcoin. Japan is a Japanese trade platform, the traders branch in the United States, San Francisco, based on the most recent Shiba Inu coin news. Trends that are going down keep going, and you shouldn't expect much. The business world may take from the market some time to get over this trend. A lot of experts think that a huge crypto winter is still a long way off, but some people say that good days are around the corner for investors with extra help from projects like the DAO Shino game and NFTs. The price might go over the goal of 0.269 at the same time that people usually buy, and the price could fall because of selling forces. 2. As of 0.185, negative trends could finally leave the cost at 0.00. $102 more and more stores are accepting, and high-end brands could make room for recognition around the world and the flood of progressively more elite customers. The rise impact is clear, as currently whales have the most market share, followed by retail and buyers, who said the number with help from stores has been on a steady rise as a result of a growth in. If you buy something, the cost of shipping might get a price tag of $0.36. On the other hand, running out ships statistics and lack of numbers could bring the price down to $0.35, taking into account the optimistic and when bears set their sights on the average price, locate its base at 0.00250 if the new visionary ideas of it falls in place, and if Shib comes out as a major player in the metaverse, Shib will likely go through the roof. The ship's price for the year could end up at 0.00437 if the price is set by the neighborhood, with the normal pressures to buy and sell. Shib could often be bought and sold for 0.377 on the downside if buyers not keep up with the money coming in and out of the digital product on the market then went down. And bad feelings could make the price to 0.318. It's to emphasize that Shiba Inu right now, price predictions are down over 87% from when it was that age. 0.000000, 88.45, but according to Coinpia, made a Shiba Inu price guess if the bulls charge in, Shiba Inu might reach possible highs of 0.259 by the end of. If the meme coin goes down in value, 2023 loses ground to negative trends led by large-scale liquidations, the price could put in a negative hook and hit the bottom at 0.00112 after the ship the network took. The next token is called leash, and it's just like a rebase key. The network quickly changed into a form that can be changed, like the keys to the old symbol were burned, and the token has a fixed amount right now of 100,000 people who keep up the value of the coin will get more liquid, saying that there will be extra rewards. Mark it as a project that is still being worked on. The network is very safe because Ethereum uses Ethereum to power it and plans to switch from the P consensus method to the POS1. Shiba Inu is likely to be a part of the gifts from the change where the currency is listed on renowned markets like Coinbase Pro, Binary Exchange Coin Were X India, and the US Swap. Among other things, that's all for today. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Spread the word and join the channel too. Check out our newest stuff.